Hey everyone, what's going on? So does it happen to you that you have something to work on your computer like an assignment or something, or you need to leave somewhere and finish off a work real quick, but your computer works really slow and starts teasing you? Well, I can feel your pain there. So the most common reason for the computer to work slower is the lower RAM size and the storage space. So in this video, I'll show you a way you can make your computer run 10 times faster by increasing the initial RAM size and the storage space without the need of adding any physical component. So make sure that you watch the full video, and if you're new to this channel, make sure that you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. So as you can see that I have around 12 GB of RAM available, out of which 11 GB is still unused, but this is still not enough. So to increase the RAM size, we need to go to the storage settings, and here you need to look for system and reserved, and if you don't find it, click on show more categories and you'll find system and reserved. So click it, and here as you can see that I have around 4.39 GB of virtual memory available. So the virtual memory is something that helps your applications run faster and increase the overall performance of your computer. So to increase the virtual RAM, we need to go to the settings, and in the about section you'll find advanced system settings, which is there in the related settings. So if you don't find it here, you can also search for in the search bar, and once you find advanced system settings, just open it. So now in the advanced settings, click on advanced, and in the performance section click on settings, and now click on advanced, and in the virtual settings just click on it and click on change, and here you need to uncheck the automatically managed paging file and then click on custom size. So I want the size of around 24 GB, so I need to put in 24 GB, so it's like 1024 MB is 1 GB, so it's 1024 into 24, so that is around 24576. And in the maximum size I'll put around 32 GB, so it's 1024 into 32, so it's 32768. Now click on set and then click on OK, and basically that's it. So you have increased the virtual memory size and your computer will work even faster now. And then click on apply, and then if you get any pop-up to restart the computer, you can restart, but I'll restart later because there's another thing we need to do now. So now let's go ahead and check our memory size. If it has changed, click on storage, go to view more categories, and then click on system and reserve. And now as you can see that our virtual memory has increased to 24.2 GB. So once we are done here, now go back and then open the run in your keyboard. Just press Windows plus R, that will open the run box, and if you don't find it here, you can also right click on the Windows button, and then from here you can open the run. So in the run just type temp TEMP and click on OK. So these are the temporary files that get saved on your computer, and they take a lot of space, so you need to delete all these temporary files. So to delete all these files, just click on Ctrl+A or select all the files and then hit delete. And if you get a pop-up for any permission, just click on continue, and the files that are not getting deleted, just skip it. And then again open the run box, and here you need to type again %temp%, so it's %temp%, then click on OK and do the same, select all the files and delete once again. Now once again last time open it, and then here you need to type prefetch, PREFETCH, and then click on continue and select all the files and just delete. So these are all the temporary files that you do not use, and you can just delete them. There's no harm in this. So once you've deleted all these files, open the settings page once again, and this time go to the home page and then open the apps section. So in the apps section click on apps and features, and here you will get all the applications installed on your computer. So I'll leave this part up to you. You can uninstall the applications that you do not want to use or you do not use. So you can uninstall the files and it can clear up a lot of space. Once you've done that, just go ahead and open the recycle bin. So whatever files you delete on your computer actually gets saved in the recycle bin, so it can stay there for a long time and take a lot of space off your computer. So go ahead, select all the files and just delete it if you do not want to use it anymore. Now you're almost done here. So after that, just open the settings, and if you do not want to manually delete the files every time, you can just go ahead in the system settings, click on storage, and here you will find an option as storage sense. So this is an option that can help you delete the temporary files. So you can just turn it on, click on configure storage sense, and then here you can select your preferred time and date when you want to delete the application, if you want to delete the recycle bin files and the temporary files. So this you can customize as per your wish, and you do not have to manually delete the files every time. So after that, open your computer's file explorer now, and then go to the C drive, right click on the C drive and select properties. Now in the properties, click on general and then click on disk cleanup, and then select all the files that comes up, and then just click on clean system files. And now click on tools and then click on optimize. So select the drive that you want to optimize and then click on optimize. Now a fair warning, optimizing your C drive can take up a lot of time, from a few minutes to lots of hours, so make sure that you optimize the drive when you do not use the computer. So that's it, you are done here. So now just restart your computer once, and once the computer restarts, you will notice a lot of difference in the performance. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you are wondering about this home screen setup, you can check out the video in the link in the description. It is a Mac setup for the Windows 10, so you can check it out in the description. So I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay safe.